Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now guys, for today's episode we're gonna do a unboxing. So this is a unboxing. It's a mouse and a keyboard combo. Bought it on Amazon. So let's open it and see what comes in the box. So as you can see, well protected. So let's take out the keyboard. So really good for desktop computer or just about anything that needs a keyboard. So well protected. So this is the keyboard. So it's a Amazon Basic, as I can see it. Actually comes with plastic that also cover the keyboard itself, so as you can see. But the surface of the keyboard really like it. It can easily wiped off. It actually has a really shiny appearance, and as you can see the design of it, so it is not entirely flat. This section project upwards about quarter of an inch, so when it sits down on your computer decks, you can see actually slant at an angle like this, so it is not completely flat. Really like that setup in terms of the cable. Really, they seem to be about 3 feet of cable, so really long. As for some special features on this keyboard, it comes with the volume up and down and mute button. So if you're playing music, you can easily press increase the volume, decrease the volume, and definitely mute it. Other key functions I'm seeing, this seems to be, so it comes with a video and music icon. So I think it should be able to actually launch audio or video player once you press that button. As you can see, Amazon Basic. So it is a combo package, and this is the mouse, right? So this is the mouse there. So in terms of cable, fairly long cable. So actually got this, I think, for $17, right? I think it's actually worth it. In terms of the mouse, the material that made the mouse completely different from the keyboard. As you can see, in terms of the black, the mouse kind of have more gray to it, and the keyboard really extremely shiny. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.